This is Lucky 13 Farms, and I'm going to go ahead and begin filming. We're getting ready to serve breakfast to all the birds. It's a beautiful, crisp morning. About 63 degrees out here, which is wonderful as we move into fall. The birds always tend to get quite hyper before breakfast comes, and now they're about to get really excited because it's coming. We even have some waiting on the porch here for breakfast to come down. Here they come running. Here come the geese out the gate.
Here's a baby hen. Come see me. That's what she does. Oh, you just knocked one out. She usually eats them. She's looking for grapes.
There's the Appleyard ducks. They're getting big. Males are beginning to show themselves with their dark chest for certain. Oh, there goes the latecomer. The good rooster I'm thinking about, Curtis, is still out here with John Luke. We obviously, if you look around, we have many adolescent roosters, which we're going to harvest soon, because you can't have too many roosters with your hens. This is the rooster we're thinking about keeping as a secondary backup to John Luke. He's got the two dangling feathers. I've seen him do a lot of protection. He appears to be a good watchdog rooster.
See, I didn't give them any grapes this morning.
Yeah.
That's why they're all...
Like, where's my grapes?
They were following me around to every individual container pretty much, and then... because they wanted grapes. But I give them grapes in the evening, but not every evening, but some evenings, so keeps them guessing, I guess, and keeps them coming home. You give them treats in the evening, they gonna come home. They will be here about dark wanting them grapes, I guarantee you that. And I did swap that water out right at dark yesterday. There's a brand new tub of water.
Oh, yes.
All of them.
Water
That's
goes
what they're gonna look
dirty
like
quick.
in 10 minutes.
Yep.
The ducks, any waterfowl has a vengeance in their life. They have a mission, is take any clean water and fill it full of dirt and poo and feathers. That's their mission in life. And they're very good at it. So the Appleyards had, we got 3 duck eggs this morning.
Yes.
And I think it was that other Khaki Campbell.
Okay.
That third Khaki Campbell hen, I think she started laying again. They don't tell you about eggs, chickens going broody. You know, when they go broody, they may not raise a batch of chicks, or they may, but they probably won't lay an egg for 3 damn months. I mean, you know what I mean?
Right, we're not seeing her coming back laying again.
Yeah. I always wondered why people wanted to break the brood. Well, if you don't want your own babies and a chicken goes broody, she may not lay an egg for 90 days. She may not lay the rest of that year, you know what I mean? So you're gonna lose all those eggs. But we let them go broody just to see, because it was the first time. But there's the bachelor squad. See
Yeah,
them?
bachelor squad right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably 8 or 9.
And
we gotta slaughter most of them out, because you can't have that many roosters.
no, they'll just fight, and that's just not a good thing.
Yeah, no.
They'll have one bad day.
Yeah, it's probably going to be today.
And more like a slight moment. You know, we do it quick and fast so they
else.
don't know what's happening.
Yeah, but we got the real yard bird killing cones now. We don't have to use string. You can do it with string. It's old school, but it's harder. Just takes more time. It's more. You have to sit there messing around with the bird while you're holding him upside down. Somebody else is trying to put the string on his legs.
Yeah, it does.
And then you hang him, and then he's just swinging.
Take time
And it's more stress on the
prolongs
bird.
it.
If you're going to do this a lot, just get those little $40 stainless steel cones and call it part of the deal that you just have to do it. Or make one. I guess you can make one. But I actually did make one out of that 1/4 inch hardware cloth, and I lined it with tape and stuff, the metal tape, and it worked pretty good, but it wasn't really the right size, and it started to get like gross bacteria trying to grow all in it. You really need a really smooth surface of killing cone so you can clean it. And who's that? Cog Hill said that he sprays his down. I mean, he's a real pro about it. He's got that real 4 bird station thing that catches all the blood. He said he sprays his down with spray on oil, like Pam, you know, that kind of stuff. You spray on pans. We don't use that. We'd have to go get some, but he says he uses that. So when you're done, you just squirt it and all the blood and feathers just come right off. So I'm gonna do that. That's why I love this YouTube community, man. You can learn just little tricks along the way, and sometimes really, really big stuff.
I want the apple yards to look up because you can really tell now who's a male and who's a female.
Duck, 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 duck. They'll follow me around a little bit, but not always, and probably not now since there's stuff in their face. They're just gonna sit there and eat. It's time for me to move this rig. Been on this ground long enough. You can see the dead spots out here where I've purposely concentrated the poo on that spot for a month now because I'm thinking I'm gonna turn those into gardens.
See the apple yards? See the...
Yeah.
No, they go behind the thing.
Are you trying to show the blue feathers?
Oh, look at what he just did.
Yeah, he rips feathers out.
He has no dangly feathers yet. He's got to be harvested. That's not good. That's not good.
There you see him. There's dangly feather rooster.
Yeah, that's...
2 feathers. He's
I
the
think the
gentlest one.
2...
That's him.
There's 2 that I have to compare between to know who's who.
Yep, there's one right next to him.
See the apple yard who just walked up. He's got a dark patch on his chest. That is not a female. Second one, not a female. See the dark?
Yeah.
It's starting to form the white ring.
Yep. Speckled.
See the 2...
They have like a chest, like a vest on their chest.
To the left, that one right there with no, that's a girl.
There's 2 girls right here.
Yep, that's a girl. Yep.
I'm afraid that we got 4 drakes and 2 girls. Is what I'm afraid of.
There's one that I'm not certain of.
Her right there. That's a female.
Yes.
Maybe they did it right. They say they got professionals banding them at birth, and they came.
That one walking up on him looks like a girl, potentially, but she's got a darker head.
There's definitely 2 girls heading to the water fountain.
Yes, up front are the girls. The one drinking out of the black over behind by the wheel right now may be female. I can't tell.
Yeah. You buy these, you got to get them male and female pairs. They will not sell you all males or all females.
You don't have a choice.
One of those species that's kind of fallen off out of popularity, so there's not a lot of them. I mean, they're not like what you call endangered species, like a real species.
Oops, sorry, I'm bad filming. Filming the spawn instead of the birds.
But you have to wait for them, and they're like 9-10 pound ducks. They're right at 2.5 months old now. They're beautiful little babies. And they're turning into a pretty good duck.
And there we're heading off to the woods. It's our favorite place to go right there.
Yeah.
Time to head off in the woods. Oh, and look who joined us.
Who's that?
Didn't realize.
Paula.
We have the kitty.
Kitty cat. She's a rescue cat. Let me see if she'll let me love on her. She's a rescue kitty. Isn't that right? Yes.
Oh.
She's still a little skittish. She's been with us a little over a year. But she sleeps like in the bed with us sometimes now. And she says, good kitty. I think she wants back inside because she has not had her breakfast yet.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, she's a little spooky. I love that sound they make, that little chirp.
Yeah,
chirping.
that's... See,
Little
little...
babies and their adolescents.
Yep.
You tell about the little white and white and brown chickens.
Mm-hmm.
They're crosses between a Welsh Summer Rooster, which is Jean-Luc, and he's around here somewhere. He probably got his... They're probably out in the woods by now. And Golden Comet hens, and you can see the crossbreeds. They're just that chicken used to.
I
go
don't
through the fence all
know.
the time.
Where would Jean-Luc be? There's his girls are back there.
I think he took some and went around the corner.
Oh, I
I'm
see
not sure.
one in the underneath the blue tarp.
Yeah. Yeah, that's full-grown hen under there. Yeah. You know, if I move all this stuff, I could.
Coco, what you doing?
Coco,
Coco.
come. What's the matter, boy? Come. Say, good boy. Come. He's coming.
Don't get the camera.
We live out here alone, so I've let him jump up on people. See his homemade haircut.
Homemade haircut.
Doggy. He is. I mean, like
Not
this
too
dog
bad
is
looking.
like right at 4 feet tall, and he runs like the wind. You want to get him? What's that? You hear it? What's that? This dog will bark at vultures in the sky, guys. I mean, seriously. If he sees the birds out there, look up, and that bird look up feature. You know how the birds turn their heads? He'll look up. He'll see the vulture, and he'll start barking. Get him, Coco. Let's get him.
Is there a fox?
He says, I know there's nothing.
Is there a fox? Is there a fox out there?
Coco,
Where?
is there a fox?
What?
Let's get him. Get him. Get him, Coco. Get him. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. There he goes. There he goes.
Wrong way where I can't film.
Of course. Go. Oh, no. He went to get his worm.
Oh, okay.
Come here, Coco.
There's the big bad fox. He already got it.
Got a stick. Uh-oh. No. I can make him run. Think you want to run? Huh? You want to run? I can't throw this stick very far. That way. Up. That way. Good boy. We'll bring it here. Poodles are retrievers. Standard poodles are retrievers, but they just don't give you what they retrieve. Unless you train them, which I don't know how to do, so he's not trained.
Well, you have to have a treat for him, probably. Something to switch with that's worthy.
Yeah, he's not
You have to make it worth our while. Bribe them.
he's kind of wild trained. Good boy. Man, I tell you what though, if he saw those deer down there on that pond, on that dam, he would go.
I'll try to catch
Screaming
that
out
later this afternoon. He does it once a day at least, even if nothing's really there. I think he does it just to do it.
Yeah.
So I'll try to capture that. All right, guys. Well, we're going to sign off for now.
Yeah, we got to go to the store before they buy hurricane.
Yes, because
evacuees, buy
Hurricane Dorian's
everything.
about to hit Florida, and I'm sure people are
Dorian.
traveling up from the peninsula up here, so we better go.
Yeah, God bless them all, but you know, they're going to come here and buy every piece of milk and every loaf of bread, and they're going to buy it all.
And we're gonna
So
go
we better
before
go stock up
it
the
goes.
next couple days.
All right. See y'all later. Bye.